Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Spotify high quality audio not working in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is head over to Play Store. Once you're inside Play Store, search for Spotify by heading over to search of Play Store and update it to the latest version. The other thing that you must do is make sure that you have a Spotify premium account. For that, simply head over to you at the bottom right of your screen, tap on your profile at the top right of your screen, scroll down, tap on payments and subscriptions, hit subscriptions, and if you have Spotify over here, Spotify premium over here, then it means that you have a Spotify premium subscription. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to Spotify and then add this. Also check your internet connection, make sure that you're connected to the internet either to Wi-Fi or mobile data, or you can also toggle on airplane mode and toggle it back off on your device. The other thing that you can do is simply head over to settings. Once you're inside settings, tap on apps, tap on Spotify, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache of Spotify and try again. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.